Everyone talks about self-improvement like it's some clean, beautiful journey. Wake up early, read books, go to the gym, hustle, meditate. They sell you a dream, but no one warns you about the price. Because self-improvement has a dark side, and if you're not ready for it, it will break you before it builds you. Beat. Let's tell the truth, the kind of truth that doesn't fit on Instagram. 1. Self-improvement will make you lonely. Here's the first thing no one tells you. When you start improving yourself, you start outgrowing people. Not because you think you're better, but because your standards change. The jokes don't hit the same. The laziness irritates you. The excuses disgust you. And suddenly, you're alone. Explanation. Growth creates distance. When your habits, mindset, and goals evolve, the people who stay the same feel threatened or left behind. Not everyone will walk with you to the next level. You will miss people you had to leave, and you will hate yourself for it sometimes. But growth doesn't ask for permission. 2. It makes you see your own ugly side. Self-improvement isn't just about becoming stronger, it's about becoming aware. And awareness hurts. You realize you're not special. You realize you wasted years. You realize most of your suffering was self-inflicted. Pause. That hits hard. Explanation. When you start reflecting honestly, you confront your ego, your laziness, your insecurities, and your bad decisions. That internal confrontation creates shame, anger, and regret before it creates confidence. Most people quit here because it's easier to stay ignorant than to face the mirror. 3. You become addicted to fixing yourself. Here's a dangerous trap. You start believing you're never enough. Another book, another course, another routine, another hack. You're always improving, but never satisfied. Explanation. Self-improvement can turn into self-rejection. You start seeing yourself as a constant problem instead of a human being in progress. Growth becomes obsession. You forget to live. You forget to breathe. You forget you're allowed to rest. And peace disappears. 4. You develop a quiet anger. Nobody talks about this part. Self-improvement creates rage. Rage at wasted time. Rage at lies you believed. Rage at people who held you back. Rage at your old self. Explanation. As discipline increases, tolerance for nonsense decreases. You become less patient with mediocrity in others and in yourself. That inner fire can fuel success or destroy relationships if uncontrolled. You're calm on the outside, but burning inside. And if you don't learn to control it, that anger will control you. 5. People start to resent you. The moment you change, you become a mirror, and people hate mirrors. They call you too serious, too intense, changed, arrogant. Explanation. Your discipline exposes their comfort zone. Your growth challenges their excuses. Instead of improving themselves, many choose to criticize you to protect their identity. You didn't attack them, your progress did, so they try to pull you back. 6. It forces you to kill your old identity. This is the part that hurts the most. You must let go of who you were. The old habits, the old mindset, the old comfort. Explanation. Identity change is psychological death. The brain resists it because familiarity feels safe, even when it's destructive. Growth requires leaving behind versions of yourself that once kept you alive. You will grieve that version of you, even if it was weak, even if it was lost. 7. Discipline can turn you cold. When you lock in, you stop explaining, you stop begging, you stop chasing, and people feel it. Explanation. High discipline prioritizes logic over emotion. Without balance, it can reduce empathy and emotional connection. You become efficient, but distant. You become respected, but misunderstood. Strength without softness can make you untouchable and alone.
8. There is no finish line. Here's the cruel truth. Self-improvement never ends. There is no moment where life says, "Congratulations, you're done." Explanation. Growth is infinite. Mastery reveals higher levels, not closure. This can create fatigue and existential pressure if you expect a final reward. You just get stronger problems, higher standards, bigger responsibilities, and sometimes you'll wish you never woke up. Final truth. Self-improvement is not motivation. It's war. A war against comfort. A war against weakness. A war against your old self. It will isolate you. It will humble you. It will break illusions. It will strip you down. But if you survive, you won't just be better, you'll be real. And real people are rare, slow, heavy. That's the dark side. And that's the price of becoming unstoppable.